Hey guys, as you see in the picture, Zepto is giving 400 free cash, literally without any catch. So let's check out. As you see here, the electronic store is at 95% off right now. You go check it out. And here you see the mosquito racket, and this is from Hit brand. As you see here, user manual is given. This product comes with 6 months warranty. First, let's see whether it's working or not. 2 buttons are given. So when you go for the first button, you can slide up and down to see the light on. And you have the second button, which is used for killing mosquitoes and for recharging the mosquito racket. So this mosquito racket is working. Now you have to recharge this mosquito racket. As shown in the picture, you can pull the button up and down to recharge. You can recharge for 6 to 8 hours. If you see the light dim, if used frequently, if you are not using frequently, you can recharge for 6 to 8 hours in a month. Now we'll see how to use mosquito racket effectively. As you see in the picture, first you have to turn on the light by sliding the button up. As you see in the picture, when this LED light is on, you have to go for the second button. Now press and hold the second button to start killing mosquitoes. As you see in the picture, you can go to the mosquito. Slowly you can draw the mosquito racket towards it, and it gets attracted to the metal mesh that is being charged with power. So mosquitoes get electrocuted and killed instantly. It's a super device, right? It's safe, chemical free. And you see here, the mosquitoes are stuck in the mesh. You can clean them without using any water. You can clean them with brush gently. As you see here, have got some clips as how we kill mosquitoes. Okay, you can use this racket not only for killing mosquitoes but also for killing insects. But make sure you keep away from children, because this mosquito mesh or the metal mesh is charged with power and it passes electricity. It gets shock when touched. Okay, now let's check out free cash plus coupon on Zepto. Go to Zepto app. Right on home screen you will see 400 free cash. You can go to Zepto Saver to have more savings. Once you go to Zepto Saver, you will see this kind of banner, 400 free cash, and you can click on see more, because these are the specified products on which free cash is applied. So you can avail for free. You can add to cart as shown in the picture whatever the products you want. If you don't want these products, you can get back and check with categories, and you have electronic store at 95% off. You can check out that store, or otherwise any other stores you wish to. You can see here super saver deals. You're getting noise color fit smartwatch for just 1178 rupees. And you can see here both smartwatch you're getting for 1960. You can add to cart and click on view cart, go to coupons and apply super get coupon to get 50 off on your order value. You can come back and scroll down and select apply up to 400 free cash. Once you apply, go down and check out the bill value. and see whether you have availed free cash plus coupon. Then check out and enjoy free cash plus coupon on Zepto. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.